does a switch work? In a circuit, electricity flows in a circle. It flows from one end of a power source through wires or another conductive pathway like this conductive tape, turning on electrical components like this LED, and back around to the power source, which in this case is a battery. If the circle is interrupted anywhere, the electricity will stop flowing, so the light turns off. This is the same thing as what a switch does. We can put a switch in line or in series between the battery and the light. When the switch is open, the electricity can't get from here to here across the switch. Since no electricity is going through the LED, it is off. But when the switch is closed, electricity can flow again in a circle, in and out of the battery through the light bulb, turning it on. Electricity can only flow through conductive materials, which are typically made of metals like copper and aluminum. Let's follow the conductive materials through this circuit. The end of the battery, the conductive tape, the contact points of the switch itself, back through the conductive tape, the metal leads of the LED, and back around through the conductive tape to the other side of the battery. All of these are made of metal that allows electricity to flow through them, making the circuit work. In small electronics, a circuit board has metal pads and little lines called circuit traces. These are made of copper and other metals that connect all the electronic components together to make the circuit work. In this electronics kit, the batteries supply electricity, and when the switch is turned on, the light turns on. The electricity is connected through the circuit through the metal in the PCB, which is a printed circuit board. But circuits don't have to be this complicated. Instead of circuit traces in a PCB or wires, we can use simple materials to make a circuit with a switch. Instead of using wires, we can use conductive tape that will allow the electricity to flow from a battery through an LED. As we learned before, any interruption in the circuit will stop electricity from flowing and turn off the circuit, like this gap here. We can make a break in the tape and make a simple switch. When it touches, closing the circuit, the light turns on. This acts as a switch. Lifting it up creates a gap. The switch is open. Electricity cannot flow, so the light goes off. When the switch is closed, electricity can flow in a circle from the battery through the tape to the light and back around back to the battery. The circuit is on. Switch open, the circuit is off. Switch closed, the circuit is on.